Hello everyone, my name is Byrce DJ Klasiq and welcome back to your favorite online entertainment news bulletin, Hot Off the Streets, which is proudly brought to you by Nice Entertainment. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. We know we haven't given you any news updates since 2021, but let me take this opportunity to say happy 2022 and I hope you've been vaccinated and you're keeping safe from this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's dive into our top stories for today. Musa and Thobile Mseleku set to appear on Durban Gen. So reality TV stars Musa and Makhumalo Mseleku will make a cameo appearance on 2 episodes of the ETV's telenovela Durban Gen sometime in April. Musa Mseleku is popularly known for his polygamous lifestyle. Currently, he has 4 wives with 10 children and features on one of South Africa's most popular reality shows, Uthando Nesthembu, which airs on Mzansi Magic every Thursday night. Thobile Makhumalo Mseleku, Musa's third wife, a businesswoman and presenter at Vuma FM. She is also one of the wives who features on the 2nd season of Real Housewives of Durban. We really cannot wait to see what the couple has for us this April, so make sure to watch Durban Gen on ETV every Monday to Friday at 6:30 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Byrce DJ Klasiq. This was our top story for today. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure that you click on the link on the description to follow Nice Entertainment on all social media platforms. And also make sure that you subscribe with the notification bell turned on so that you stay up to date with what's happening right here on Hot Off the Streets.